Thank you for joining in, and for today's video, this one is just a fun DIY. I was looking through some of my older videos and I realized that my top video was actually a really old DIY that I did a long time ago, and I thought it would just be fun to recreate, and since it's October, we're going to make this a Halloween version. So if you want to do this, you can find an old black t-shirt, and I'm just going to crumple it up there because I prefer the messy look. If you want the spiral, you're going to pinch it in the middle and then turn it. But like I said before, I'm just going to do the little scrunches here and there. I like the messy look. And then make sure that you put your gloves on because we're going to be dealing with a little bit of bleach in a bottle. So definitely gloves, mask. Make sure you open up your windows if you're inside, and then you're just going to squirt away there and get it nice and saturated. And then I'm going to show some clips of the process and how this is going to look. So you'll see it like slightly turn, and it's like a nice orangey red color. So again, it's really cute for Halloween with the black and the orange. But anyways, it'll turn slightly orange and then a little bit deeper and deeper as we go here. Right here, make sure to use your gloves again, and you're going to gently pull it apart just to see how it's doing. And then you can see where like the black is, maybe if you need a little bit more. I chose to leave mine the way it is because I actually really liked how it came out. And then gently, just in case you have like a lot of liquid, you're going to flip over your t-shirt, and you can check out the back really quick too. And right here I'm just showing close-ups of how mine came out. I am really satisfied. I thought it actually came out pretty cool, and I like the way the back looks because it's really different from the front. It's just like a little spattering here and there, but if you want more, you can certainly add more to yours. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe and like the video.